Alright guys, my car is really dirty. So we're gonna go hit the automatic car wash and see if it can actually get a car that's this dirty clean. My guess is it's gonna come out looking almost no different. I don't even know if the video does any justice. I mean, it's like, these don't even look like the same wheels that were on it a month and a half ago. So let's go see if we can get this thing scrub-a-dub. Are you ready to scrub-a-dub? Because I am. Alright, we're headed to I don't think it's actually a scrub-a-dub. I think it's we're about to find a car wash. I don't like brush types. I like touchless. It doesn't do as good of a job. I don't think it gets the scrub-a-dub clean, but I don't want brushes grinding in the dirt on my car. It's already effed up enough. Alright, we're almost to the car wash. I'd say we're about 3 minutes away. Where is it? Is that it? Oh, it's automatic. As long as there's nobody no, there's a guy working there. I'm not doing that. I don't want him. No, I don't need the scrub down, guys. Is there an automatic one up top? Oh, God. I don't want someone to have to rub this thing down. I don't need anyone rubbing this thing down. It's filthy. All right, let's go in and investigate. Oh, Jesus. Car wash, take a right. I think I'm in the wrong spot. It says we pump septic tanks. I can't do this. I'm finding a more automatic one. We've decided to go in. So what do we do? Is it touchless? I need to know if it's touchless. If it's not touchless, I'm not doing it. It's not touchless, there's brushes. Car wash won't remove snow. Well, there's no snow. What do I do? Just drive in? I think those curtains are gonna do damage. I'm going to the touches and nuts. An absolutely hard pass. Alright, we decided not to use the Acton car wash because they've got brushes. So we are about to pull into the touchless car wash in Hudson, Massachusetts. So here we go. Where is it? That's a bank. That is not a car wash. Okay, tidal wave, Hudson, Mass. All right. Are they open? Open 24 hours. Which bay should we do? Wait, are we gonna clear? We didn't think this part through. Might be too tall, dude. You're gonna have to watch the window. All right, let's try it. Hope we clear. The G-Wagons are pretty tall. All right, how do I do this? Credit, yeah.
Please insert your credit card.
Yeah, how much is it?
Below.
How much is it? How much is it? Oh. It's out. What are we doing here?
Please select your wash package.
How much is it? I'm gonna go with the cheap one. Express.
Do you want a printed receipt? Please take your receipt.
Alright, we gotta make sure it's gonna fit.
The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Alright, open the window and make sure it's gonna fit. Stick the camera out, look at the roof. I don't know if it's gonna fit, dude. Oh, it's closed. It's closed. Yeah, okay, windows. There we go. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, if we run out of gas. So bad. All right, let's see it. Actually, cleaner than I expected it to be. Still kind of looks like crap. Left a lot of grime on the wheels here. Do they not have the running board cleaning service or what? It's cleaner. I don't know if it was worth 14 bucks, but it's definitely cleaner, I'll give them that. It wasn't pointless, but there it is. G55 car wash.